Fortress is one of the fastest growing and most successful credit repair and coaching companies in the country, for good reason. People are figuring out paying for results, which is the Fortress way, makes more sense than paying a monthly fee for years on end and crossing their fingers and hoping that their credit gets fixed.
All right, Franklin Cruz here. Look, I just want to talk about Fortress Credit. It is the real deal. Look, a lot of people do not like talking about their credit. I don't either. But my credit was not the best when I first got started with Fortress Credit. It was about 600, and just through getting inside their program and doing exactly what they said to do, no exaggeration, my credit went up 75 points. 75 points. That matter of fact, from that, my credit went up so fast that Chase actually sent me a letter and said, hey, do you want a credit card, $15,000 limit for your business? Obviously, I took it. But Fortress Credit is the real deal. Basically, just do exactly what they say. Just sign up for the program. Your credit's going to go up. Just do exactly what they say, and it will work. Period. No questions asked.
Using him, my credit score actually went up by 100 points in 30 days working with Rondi. So if you are out there, you're looking for some type of credit repair or whatever, definitely want to talk with him.